Unlock the secrets to turning your Upwork profile into a money-making machine, all from the comfort of your home. Dive into a world where your skills meet endless opportunities. Stay tuned! Welcome to Digital Earnings Expert. Dive into the Upwork realm with us, and by the end of this video, the freelance fortune could be yours. Stay tuned, it's a goldmine of information awaiting. Upwork is a massive online marketplace where businesses and freelancers come together to collaborate on various projects. It's the virtual meeting ground for skills and opportunities, with millions of projects posted daily, ready for the taking. The platform is a smorgasbord of opportunities where individuals can showcase their skills and expertise in exchange for money. And the beauty of it? You can do this from the comfort of your home. It's a digital agora where your skills meet the market demand and transactions happen seamlessly. Now, the first step towards unlocking the treasure trove of opportunities on Upwork is by creating a captivating profile. Think of your profile as your digital resume. It's your face in this vast virtual marketplace. This is where you strut your stuff, showcasing your skills, experience, and perhaps any relevant certifications or degrees you possess. A well-optimized profile is your foot in the door. It's crucial to use clear and concise language to highlight your expertise and define what sets you apart from the rest. Your unique selling proposition is what will attract potential clients to your profile amidst a sea of freelancers. And let's not overlook the importance of a professional profile picture. It's the first thing clients see, and a clear, friendly photo can make a world of difference. The first impression is crucial, so ensure your profile picture represents you professionally and approachably. Now, on to defining your niche and specialization. In a platform brimming with competition, understanding your niche is your compass in the chaotic storm of job opportunities. It helps you navigate towards projects that align with your skills and expertise. Clients often seek freelancers with specific expertise in a particular field. By focusing on a niche, you position yourself as an authority in that area. It's about being a big fish in a small pond, rather than being lost in the ocean. Once you've defined your niche, it's time to tailor your profile and portfolio to reflect this specialization. This deliberate alignment makes it easier for potential clients to find you and sets you apart from the competition. It's about signaling to clients that you are the go-to person for certain tasks. Caught your interest? Keep the momentum going by hitting subscribe, leaving a like, and ringing the bell. Our story has many chapters. Eager to read on? Let's turn the page. Building a stellar portfolio is your next step. A robust portfolio is your display window where potential clients can gauge the quality of your work. Initially, you might not have many projects to showcase, and that's okay. Consider offering your services at a discounted rate or even for free to build up your portfolio. Your portfolio should highlight different types of projects you've successfully completed. It should demonstrate your expertise and the range of services you offer. This is where you get to flaunt the results of your hard work and entice clients to hire you for their projects. Now let's delve into optimizing your proposals. Crafting proposals on Upwork is an art and a science. Each proposal should be tailored according to the client's specific requirements, showcasing how your skills and experience align with their project needs. Avoid the trap of generic templates. Each proposal should resonate with the client's job posting. Incorporate relevant keywords from the job posting into your proposal. This increases your proposal's visibility and enhances your chances of being selected by the client. Building strong client relationships is the cornerstone of long-term success on Upwork. Happy clients lead to positive reviews, and positive reviews attract more clients. It's a virtuous cycle that can propel your freelance career to new heights. Nurturing client relationships goes beyond delivering high-quality work. It encompasses meeting deadlines, maintaining effective communication, and exceeding client expectations. It's about being proactive, attentive, and going the extra mile to ensure client satisfaction. Engage in conversations, ask relevant questions, and provide regular updates throughout the project. This level of engagement shows your dedication and can lead to repeat business, referrals, and a loyal client base. In conclusion, Upwork is a fertile ground for freelancers looking to earn a fortune. It's about creating an appealing profile, defining your niche, building an impressive portfolio, optimizing your proposals, and fostering strong client relationships. With determination, persistence, and the right strategies, the sky's the limit for what you can achieve on Upwork. It's an exciting journey with the potential to earn a lucrative income while enjoying the autonomy and freedom that comes with freelancing. So dive in, explore the opportunities Upwork has to offer, and start building your freelance fortune today. Still anchored? Your dedication is set to unveil a digital goldmine. Sink into a free ebook exposing the prime online business ready to flourish today. But there's more in store. Beyond the ebook's insights, a captivating 15-day challenge stands tall, precision-engineered for this cyber venture. With adept gurus, cutting-edge insights, and a powerhouse of tools, your voyage to online glory is clear-cut. Can you catch the pulse of this opportunity? Dive in headfirst. Engage the link in the description at once and set sail towards digital excellence. Dimming the lights on today's e-earning show. Took the method for a spin? Standing ovations or critics' comments? Share your reviews below. Did today's financial act earn your applause? Hit like for an encore. Craving more digital drama? Subscribe and ring the bell to ensure a front row seat every time. But hold the curtain call. Notice that video spotlight? It's a teaser for another blockbuster method. Click and let's continue this box office hit of online earnings together. Until our next premiere.